Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Cali Tiger, an online jewelry brand that's been popping up in everyone's feed lately. They specialize in 18K gold-plated necklaces, earrings, and rings that are marketed as waterproof and hypoallergenic. Because, let's be honest, we all need our jewelry to survive a deep-sea expedition or a particularly sweaty gym session. But is this site actually legit, or just another shiny trap? Let's look at the facts. Their domain has been active since 2017, which is basically a century in internet years, suggesting they aren't planning on vanishing into the void tomorrow. They've managed to amass over 250,000 followers on Instagram, creating a massive community of people who clearly enjoy looking at polished metal. It's a big following, though we all know that numbers on a screen don't always equate to a stress-free shipping experience. On the bright side, they offer a physical address, email, and live chat support. It's always reassuring to know there's a place to send your strongly worded letters if things go south. The jewelry itself uses premium stainless steel and PVD plating, which is great for durability, assuming it actually arrives at your doorstep. Now let's talk about the too good to be true department, the reviews. On their own website, every single piece is a glowing 5 stars. Groundbreaking, right? It's almost as if they've never met a customer they couldn't satisfy, or perhaps they just have a very busy delete key. However, a quick reality check on Trustpilot reveals a much more chaotic 2.4-star rating. While some people are living their golden dreams, others are complaining about missing orders, shipping delays, and the classic, "Where did my refund go?" mystery. If you're feeling lucky, maybe start with a small purchase before buying the whole catalog. That's it for today. If this helped you save some cash or some sanity, like, share, and subscribe.